Hey everybody, it is May 4th. It is the last official week of class. Woohoo! So here's what I want you to be working on. I want you to work on wrapping up the assignments for the semester. So if you did not do the inference module or the critical thinking module, those need to come in. You also had a couple of paper assignments over the last week or so that need to be submitted. Once you submit your work, then what I want you to do is to prepare for the final exam, which you'll have more information forthcoming on that. To prepare, you're going to click Extra Practice here in My Lab. You're going to click Reading Intermediate, and then you're going to start back here from the beginning of the semester. Active Reading, click on it. There are all of these are active reading practices. Just pick one and start working through until it refreshes your memory. And then go back into it and pick the next skill, which is state a main idea. There's 97 practices of those. Work through those. So each day sorry, hold on one second. Sorry, sorry. Hold on. So then each day this week, take one of the skills that we've worked on over the semester from the extra practice and do practice ones up until and through critical thinking. That way, when you get your final exam, which covers these skills, you will be more than prepared. The only one you don't have to work through is outlining and mapping. You can skip that one. All the rest of them you want to work through. Active reading, stated and implied main idea, supporting details, 9 patterns, inferences, and critical thinking. So when you get your final exam, you will be more than prepared. Okay? So finish your homework for the semester, submit those assignments, and then practice each day one of the skills. Do 10, 15, 20, 25 of the extra practices so that they're fresh in your memory. All right. Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon.